Turning to the coronavirus pandemic now, and the rising concerns this morning about the Omicron variant and its impacts here in New York. Once again, hospitals and other healthcare providers are being stretched to their limits, and officials are pushing for an all-hands-on-deck approach to make sure those in need are taken care of. As the Omicron variant spreads like wildfire, hospitals are overwhelmed. Elective surgeries at more than 36 hospitals here in New York State temporarily on hold because of low bed capacity. New York recording more than 90,000 COVID cases on Friday alone.
The real issue right now is volume, as the amount of patients that are coming in associated with the COVID-19 and its Omicron variant are simply depleting hospital resources, staff, and bringing the hospital to a capacity that is not sustainable.
New Hampshire hospitals are also feeling the effects.
This surge that we're experiencing now is the largest volume of patients that have been the sickest, and it's been going on the longest of all the waves that we've had. So in many ways, this has been the worst, at a time where we really thought we weren't going to have to deal with this again.
Earlier in the week, the state's governor deploying members of the National Guard to help provide support to hospitals and long-term care facilities. California Governor Gavin Newsom activating more than 200 members of the National Guard to help with staffing and crowd control at testing sites. And here in New York City, state officials are adding 4 new COVID testing sites at subway stations. The governor says testing is a big part of the state's strategy to fight COVID. Meantime, classes resume in Los Angeles this week. Students and staff members will have to be tested before returning to the classroom. Parents lined up to pick up test kits last week.
At-home testing is just one thing of the toolbox. What we want to focus is making sure that our students are vaccinated, that our teachers are vaccinated, they have their booster shots, that they have masks on, and proper PPE to ensure that schools open safely on Tuesday.